In this video, let's talk about how to fix the TikTok video not uploading. So if you're trying to upload any video to your TikTok account and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can immediately do is try to clear out or wipe out the corrupted storage space. So what you need to do is just tap and hold the app of TikTok, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear cache option and then tap on clear data. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files and will also log you out of your account. So once you've completed this step, try to log into your account and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the first step does not work, the second thing that you can do is try to change your IP address or refresh your network. So if you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, try switching to your cellular data. Or what you can also do is turn on the airplane mode on your device, wait out 10 seconds and then again turn it off. What this does is reset your IP address as well as resets your network. So once you do these two steps, try to see if this fixes the issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to bypass the TikTok Studio using the web app. So instead of using the mobile app of TikTok, open up a web browser on your mobile phone or on your desktop as well. Search for tiktok.com and try uploading the video from the web version. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok video not uploading error. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.